Today we're walking through how to set up and manage your child's Trump account. If the Form 4547 hasn't been filed yet, whether through the Trump account's website in the past, directly on irs.gov, or through your 2025 tax return, that's the first step. Head to irs.gov and under the Trump account section, sign in or create an account. You'll sign in with ID.me, one login that works across the IRS and other government agencies. If you don't have an ID.me account yet, you can create one right on this screen. Once the Form 4547 has been completed there, the next step is to move over to trumpaccounts.com. From here, you'll either log in if this account has already been set up, or create a new one if this is your first time. If you're creating a new account, you'll set up your login with an email and password. If you already have one, you'll simply log in. From there, you'll be asked to enter some personal information. This connects your account to the Form 4547 that was filed, so it will ask for the same details used on that form. Once that's complete, you'll land on the Trump account home screen under your child's name. If the form was just filed, this home screen may show a notice to allow up to 1 week for the Treasury's contribution to arrive in the account. This can all be managed from the website or through the Trump Accounts app on iOS or Android. Just search Trump Account in the App Store. Before going further, it's worth keeping in mind that this account is a long-term investing vehicle, mechanically structured like a traditional IRA for your child. No funds can be distributed until the child turns 18. As with any long-term account, it's worth discussing future strategies with your financial professional. From here, let's walk through what the account can do. This is your child's dashboard. The current balance appears at the top, along with how it's performed over time. Below that is a growth calculator. Toggle between now, age 18, and age 60 to see a projected value, and use the slider to adjust the planned contribution amount. You can also set how often you'll contribute, weekly, twice a month, monthly, or a one-time deposit, and adjust the expected annual return rate to see how that changes the projection. Scrolling down shows exactly where the money goes. Every contribution is automatically invested in SPYM, an S&P 500 index fund holding roughly 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Current top holdings include NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet. On the right side is the contributions panel, which tracks progress toward the annual limit. For 2026, that limit is $5,000 per child, and employers can contribute up to $2,500 of that toward the total. It's also worth noting that as of June 29, 2026, the IRS confirmed these contributions qualify for the annual gift tax exclusion. So as long as total gifts to a child stay under $19,000 for the year, no gift tax return is required. To contribute, click Contribute. Then choose a preset amount, $50, $100, $250, or enter a custom number. Next, select how often the contribution should recur. One time, weekly, twice a month, monthly, or quarterly. Then choose a funding method, a debit card for an instant transfer, or a bank account, which typically takes 4 to 5 business days. Family members can contribute as well. Use ShareLink to send a direct contribution link to grandparents or other loved ones. For families with more than one child, additional children can be added from the account drop-down at the top. Adding a new child requires completing a separate Form 4547 for that child. That process leads back to the IRS to sign in, verify identity, and file the form. Once submitted, a notification will confirm when that child's account election has been processed, typically about 1 business day if filed online or through a tax professional, longer for paper forms. For anyone who wants to go deeper, the Learn section covers investing basics, what a stock is, how compounding works, what the S&P 500 is, along with specifics on how Trump accounts work. That covers the full process. File the Form 4547, set up the account, and begin contributing and investing for your child's future.